Ever wondered where that little bottle of castor oil in your cupboard comes from or what it's used for? This unassuming oil, often overlooked, is a multi-purpose marvel, utilized in everything from skincare to health remedies. A true chameleon, it adapts and shines in many roles. But how does it come to be? What is its story? And just how versatile can one oil be? Buckle up, as we're about to embark on an intriguing journey. Let's unravel the mystery of this versatile oil, starting from its very beginning. Did you know that castor oil begins its journey as a humble castor bean? Yes, that's right. The rich, nourishing oil that we often use starts as a simple bean from the castor plant. Now let's unravel the fascinating journey from plant to oil. The first step is harvesting. When the castor beans are ripe, they're carefully plucked from the plant. Timing is essential here, as the beans need to be just right to produce the best oil. Once harvested, the beans are left to dry naturally under the sun. This drying process is vital as it helps to reduce the moisture content of the beans, making them ready for the next stage. After the beans have dried, their outer shell is removed. Beneath this shell, you'll find the seed that contains the oil. But we're not quite there yet. The seeds are then pressed using a machine or manual press to extract the oil. This pressing process is where the magic happens, as it allows us to get the oil from the seed. But the journey doesn't end there. The extracted oil is then filtered to remove any impurities. It's this filtration process that gives us the pure, golden castor oil that we're familiar with. Finally, the oil is bottled, ready to be used. And it's not just for beauty and health. Castor oil has a myriad of uses, from industrial applications to home remedies. And voila! That's how we get the castor oil that we use in so many different ways. Amazing, isn't it, the journey from a humble bean to a versatile oil? So, in a nutshell, how is castor oil made? Let's dive right into it. The process begins with the harvesting of ripe castor beans. These beans are then dried in the sun for a few days until they burst open, revealing the seeds inside. The seeds are carefully extracted and cleaned, ridding them of any impurities. Next, the seeds undergo a process known as cold pressing, where they're crushed under high pressure to extract the oil. This oil is then filtered to remove any remaining solids. The result? Pure, unadulterated castor oil. But we're not done yet. The oil is then subjected to heat treatment, also known as boiling, to further purify it. Finally, it's bottled up and is ready to be shipped off to stores around the world. Now you know the journey your castor oil takes before it lands in your home. From a simple castor bean to a versatile oil, it's quite a fascinating process, isn't it?